absolute favorite navy blue color is Hale Navy. It is a classic nautical inspired color that is just really deep and beautiful and very dark. We've used it in our small bathroom, also used it in our shared kids' bedroom. While blue might seem like a boy's color, it actually looks amazing with some light pink accents like in my kids' room. The newest paint color in our home is this color Nightfall. I am completely in love with it. It is stunning, very deep and rich, and I am so happy that we added it to our family room. It looks really, really beautiful with the white board and batten and some reclaimed wood accents. We painted a few of our interior doors with wrought iron, and we really love the contrast that it brings to a space. We painted our exterior doors this color too, and it's just a really great dark gray. It does have some slight blue undertones to it. We decided to go bold in a little nook above our bathtub in our bathroom, and we used the color Salamander. It took us a while to find this color, but I'm so glad that we did. It is beautiful green color that makes a real statement in the room. And finally, we used the color Relaxed Navy on the back of our bookshelves. I think it looks great on the back there. I don't know if I would love it as much as a wall color, but it looks really, really good in these bookshelves.